Hey everybody, it's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. I'm out here today at 432 South Street. This is the next rehab project by Find Solutions Properties. This is a very large Queen Anne Victorian, which is currently under construction right now. We're going to go inside in a little bit. I'm going to talk about some of the special features unique to this house. I'm going to talk a little bit about our project, and I'm also going to talk about the business Find Solutions Properties. Thanks for tuning into this latest episode of In the Works. Let's get started. Okay, so we just stepped inside the front doors at 432 South Street, and I wanted to talk about some of the new improvements that are coming into this Queen Anne Victorian. We're going to have all new replacement windows throughout the property. I wanted to give you a look at that. As we speak, we're doing brand new electric and plumbing. So the mechanicals, the electric, plumbing, HVAC are all going to be new inside of this property. And after this, we're going to take a little walk through the first floor. I'm going to show you some of the new features that are going to be installed. So before we get into the kitchen, and as part of the explanation of what we're going to do here in the kitchen, I wanted to give everybody an idea of what we're doing here on the first floor. We've taken out a couple of interior walls so that we have this open floor concept on the first floor here, which is going to combine dining, living, and recreation areas all together on the first floor. This is going to create a very large open floor plan. This house is roughly 2,600 square feet. It's one of the bigger projects that we've done with Find Solutions Properties. And this first floor is going to be the centerpiece for your entertainment, bringing your friends, your families in for holidays, gatherings, or just relaxation on the weekends. Want to give everybody a concept of this open floor plan that we're developing here on the first floor. So I just wanted to give everybody a little bit of a sneak peek or an idea of when I talk about everything's new. So I just want to give people a concept of what that looks like in the boxes before it's actually installed. And you can see behind me, here are some of the brand new fixtures that are going to be going into this house. So in the bathrooms, we're going to go with pedestal vanities, which are going to pay homage to the historic nature of this house. We're going to have some new life-proof flooring. So we've got a wood grain texture in a brand new 100% life-proof flooring. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. We're going to have some new ceiling fans, new lighting. We've picked this lighting. The owners have picked this lighting to match the historic nature of the house. We've got new lighting for the kitchen, where we're going to visit next. And we've got tile for both the kitchen and the bathroom. So this is what it looks like in the box. The contractors are busy prepping to get this stuff installed. And I wanted you guys to see what this looks like before everybody gets busy. So in the kitchen, this is going to be the focal point for your entertaining here on the first floor. We're going to have everything you need for a modern kitchen. We're going to back that right up to the open floor plan in the dining room and the living room. This is going to be a great place to have your friends over on Sundays to watch football, or maybe in the summertime for a little in-house barbecue. It's going to be a great place to entertain. In the very back here on the first floor, what we're doing is creating this mudroom entrance from the outside. This is going to have a half a bath and a full laundry here. So you'll be able to come in from work, come in from sports, bring the muddy kids and the muddy dog off the backyard, bring them in here, get them stripped down and get that dirty laundry into the laundry room before you go inside of your house. I love this concept. I think it's great, and it's one that we try to do in every property that we can. A mud entrance with a bathroom and a full laundry. Okay, so literally as we're shooting this, the electrician is here running wire for the bathroom and the other bedrooms here on the second floor. The rough plumbing work has been done here in the full bathroom on the second floor. And I just wanted to give you, again, a shot of what this is gonna look like. So we're gonna have this nice full bathroom, which is gonna be finished off with tile. That pedestal vanity, the pedestal for the sink that we saw earlier in the video, is going to be coming up here and being installed, and we're going to use some of those newer features to pay tribute to the historic nature of the house. So here we are in the second and third bedroom on the second floor. The middle bedroom is a walk-through. It's connected to the bathroom, and then as we pass through that middle bedroom on the second floor, we come into this front bedroom. We've got a closet that we're going to keep, and this room will be finished with new paint, ceiling fan, new replacement windows, new carpet or flooring. Here we are on the third floor at 432 South Street. This is the third floor. We've got almost 8-foot ceilings, 9-foot ceilings on the third floor. What the folks from Fine Solutions Property are planning up here on the third floor is a third floor master suite. So what we're standing in is what will become the master bedroom with a full-size closet. Next to this room, I'll show you, is going to be a sitting room or home office or multimedia room. And then also up here on the third floor, we're going to be putting in another full bathroom. So at the end of the day, this house will have 2.5 baths with a third floor full bath in the master suite. So again, on this third floor master suite concept, here we are in the middle room. This could be a sitting room. It could be your multimedia room, your home office. It's kind of up here on the third floor. It's away from everybody else. You've definitely got some nice, quiet, private space that you can plan up here in this master suite. I kind of like this idea, this concept when it first got pitched. I really got behind it as an area where the master of the house can come and have their own private space. Full bathroom on the third floor. So this is what's coming for the master suite. Full third floor bathroom. This will be finished with tile, another pedestal sink, and it's going to look great. When we first purchased this home, when I was assisting Fine Solutions Properties locate this next project here at 432 South Street, one of the things that impressed us was a lot of the original woodwork that still existed within the home. And as much as we possibly can, we're keeping those original woodwork accent pieces and incorporating them into the rehab. So really, we're going to get a blend of the old and the new, and a lot of the new items and the new architectural pieces that are going in are really being selected with an eye to highlight, add to, and keep the integrity of the old stuff that was already here. So we have some of these carved corner pieces up here. This is in the bedroom on the second floor. We have a lot of original doors with original carving on them. I'll show you these. These are nice hand carved or carved doors, and we're going to maintain that stuff. It's going to get cleaned, scraped, and painted so that we can use those historical pieces to accent the modern rehab. Here on the railing where the balusters going up to the second floor, we can see more of this really intricately carved original woodwork pieces, which are all going to get cleaned up and they're going to stay, and we're incorporating these features into the new house. I wanted you to get a close look at some of these really neat features. So we just showed you some pictures of the backyard. I get a lot of requests for people wanting to see the backyards of these properties, and during the course of the rehab, a lot of times the backyards just aren't all that sexy, and you can see that's definitely the case here over on South Street. However, the folks from Fine Solutions Properties are going to do some work to try to clean this backyard up and at least give you a nice smooth canvas that you'll be able to plan your own urban oasis out here. So during the course of this video, we showed you everything that was going on right now at 432 South Street, and I wanted to highlight one of the cool features of this neighborhood is that directly across the street is we have this little pocket park, part of Pottstown Parks and Recreation's neighborhood playgrounds. Got a pretty nice play area here for kids. Have a full basketball court with shuffleboard, and this is a really neat feature to have directly across the street from our rehab at 432 South Street. This rehab at 432 South Street is being brought to you by Fine Solutions Properties. I've talked about them in the past. If you go back and look at some of the other In the Works videos, you'll see some of the other projects that they're doing. You'll have an introduction with Paula and Rob Bickelman, who are the owners of Fine Solutions Properties. And I also wanted to put it out there again. We are always looking for our next project. That means Fine Solutions Properties is always looking for their next house to do their rehab. So if there's a house on your block or on your street, or you're aware of a home that's in distress and needs somebody who's going to do a good job and who cares about the revitalization of Pottstown, give the folks at Fine Solutions Properties a call. Colin's going to put their information up in the video so you have it. Call them, call us. We're always looking for our next project. This has been the latest episode of In the Works. Thanks for tuning in to this next project, 432 South Street. Remember, while you're watching these videos, I need you to do a couple of things. I need you to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.